All right, welcome back, my dear students. So it's time for us to start setting up our migrations. All right. So what we're gonna do is, and we can actually do the relationship too on this lecture. So I'm gonna try to do this as well. So I'm gonna go back to our CMS application here or Laravel installation, and I'm gonna clear this out. The first thing that we got to do is make sure that our migration is ready. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a little um, small application where we can, and we're gonna, as a matter of fact, we're gonna use this one already with this CMS installation that we have done, and we're gonna create this create. We're gonna show, we're gonna edit or delete a post using forms, right? So we need that post table ready. Okay, so let's go to the post table. Make sure that you uncomment this since we were playing around with it. All right, uncomment it and then migrate it. So PHP migrate, nothing to migrate. Let's do PHP artisan migrate refresh. There we go. Enter. And I just migrated all the tables again, but we have the post tables available, right? So now we go to the user because we're gonna say the user has what? Many posts, and we already have that related. Perfect. So we got the migration, we got the relationship right here. And on the next lecture, we're going to continue with this. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture.